Here we go. For a 3-day adventure tour, I've just started from my home. Time is around 2:30. The meetup at the exit of the Bangalore is around 4:30, but I'm going a bit early because I need to visit KTM service center. There is some issue with this cowl. This is all gone, so it is making that rattling noise. I don't know if GoPro is capturing or not, but it is very annoying. So under warranty I'm getting these two things replaced, so I need to get that done and then I'll head out to the meeting point. I went to KTM Indiranagar, got this fixed. I mean, I got a new one under warranty. So now I'm almost there near the meeting point. Time is around 4:30. 5 o'clock is the meeting point. We'll see who has turned up and who has not come yet. It is recording. Yeah. So total, I guess 6 bikes are going in the third batch, which I'll introduce to you guys who are in this third batch. So first batch is already left at 11 o'clock, second batch at 2, and the third batch is us at 5 o'clock. So we are riding to this place called Sakleshpur. Inside Sakleshpur there is a place called Hanbal. It is a small town. Inside that we have a resort called Tusk and Dawn. That is the name. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the place. I heard good reviews about it, and due to Friday, so today is 20th of November, Friday, there is hell lot of traffic. It took me 45 minutes to exit the city. Now I am on this flyover. So when we get down this flyover, we'll be touching down the Parley factory, which is the official meeting point for all the bikers. Here we go. This is our meeting point. Oh, I see Arvind. Arvind is not coming with us for the trip, but he's giving me to give his GoPro. We'll catch him. We'll put it in the formation. Exiting city itself is a trip. Hectic trip. Chala, I'll catch you guys in my mobile view. Aspects ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Here comes our captain. Our lead. Main lead.
Sakleshpur, here we come.
Yes.
KTM ADV Bengaluru official ride.
ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಗುಡ್. ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು. ಯಾರು? ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್. This is the same box Vishwa got yesterday. Hi bro. ಇದಾ 12K ಏನೋ. Here? Anup. Welcome to the vlog.
No, this is 100% Sriram.
How do you know?
Vaya. Waiting here.
Tamil?
Chennai.
Huh? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ
ನಾನು ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8ನೇ ಮೈಲಿ ಹತ್ರ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
ಓ
ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾನು 4:30 ಬಂದೆ.
ಓಕೆ,
ತುಂಬ ಇದಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಒಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಿರಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
ನಾನೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್.
ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಲೈನಪ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ರೆಡಿ ವೇಸ್ 1 2 3 ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 4 whites in that. 1 white won't come. So it is equal. Oh, I think you ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ನೀವು. ದೇ ನೋ ಯು. ಸಮೀರ್ ಆರೆಂಜಾ ವೈಟಾ? ಸಮೀರ್ದು ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಆರೆಂಜಾ? ಶೇ, ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಡಾಮಿನೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಗೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. So we are all set. We are waiting for one more guy. Samir is a new rider, so we understand time is 5:35. We are running 30 minutes behind the schedule. I'm just seeing the locations and how far it is. I'm using offline maps, so trying to set them up. So we are all geared up. Once he comes, we'll start off. This guy will lead Aussie. T-Bagger. Why this shows? Okay, I think this is the one. So finally he came, the last guy. Samir. So we are all leaving now. Off we go. 5:42 yaar. We are 42 minutes late. Let the ADVs roar. So we have to ride for 1 or 2 kilometers and we have to take a left. Not even 1 or 2. It should be around 5 to 6 kilometers. And then we have to connect to the Hassan highway. Let them go, I'll come in the end. Wow! Awesome! Awesome sunset, yaar. Awesome sunset. Awesome weather to ride. So it is 201 kilometers, not to the destination. There is a small town, like I said, Hanbal. So we have put up there. I'm recording as much as possible until we have daylight, because it's already 5:45. And see the traffic. Since it's Friday, most of them are exiting city. So a new guy has joined. He's a new rider actually. His name is Samir. He got stuck in traffic itself. That's okay, not an issue. Even we came in that hell lot of traffic today. Plus since he's riding new, let him ride in his comfort zone. Once we take a left deviation to the Mangalore highway, we'll at least hope the roads are a bit empty, so that we can keep up a good pace. We can put up 100 or 110. Where are you, bro? Where are you? Thing is, we have to take a deviation there, which is not so visible. If he misses that, he'll go in the Pune highway, as you can see here. In another 2.5 kilometers is that deviation. So I'm just riding slow so that he can catch up with us. But I don't see him.
Alright, so this is approximately, not approximately, on the accurate from the toll where we stopped, Parle toll, till now it is 104 kilometers. If you want to know the accuracy, it's 104.2 kilometers. So we have stopped for a small break. Suddenly it was bande nalak team or coffee ala bande one nimsha. ಎರಡು ಕಾಫಿ. So we have stopped here for a small break for coffee and tea.
This is which place is this?
I don't know which place is this. Some place on Bangalore only.
But I have done 145 kilometers from my home.
Yeah, I have done 150 kilometers from my house.
So 145. So last 100 kilometers after the Parle toll, we had very good pace. No one backed out. We were doing 100, 110 constantly. You should see the mileage in it. 34.1.
33 is what I'm getting because I was doing 120.
He was leading, so he obviously has to be like 10 to 15 kilometers ahead of the batch. He was leading. Good job.
Thank you.
And myself and Rakesh, we were in the sweep, so we were exchanging. So that is the ride update. So still around 120 to the...
Another 123 kilometers to the destination.
Another 120.
And this is OnePlus, guys. Please use OnePlus.
By the way, this is Rakesh.
This is Rakesh.
Let's get up, guy. Nothing, very good rider. I've ridden behind him. He follows strictly. He follows like...
So I love the way Sriram was riding. I need a draft. So in my Karuna group also, I had a good draft, and Sriram was giving me a very good draft.
Okay.
Hey guys, come guys.
So our tea and coffees are ready. We'll have it.
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ 4 ಟೀ ಇದೆ 2 ಕಾಫಿ ಇದೆ.
Oh, he has given all coffee.
ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ
ಇದು
4
mix ಇದೆ.
ಟೀ 2 ಕಾಫಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
This is tea. This is tea. All these are tea.
Everyone told ಅಲ್ಲ
Coffee ಯಾರ್ದಪ್ಪ? Except our bike lights, nothing is there. This is adventure. More 21 kilometers, bro. That's it.
They'll wait there, is it?
Yeah.
Or are they going directly?
No, they'll wait in Hanbal. So together we'll ride. Awesome place here.
I've never been to Hornad.
Hornad Ghats are superb. Except roads are not this wide, but in night you will have fun. In day, right, there will be a lot of traffic.
Oh.